So we're at Andong today. I'd like to have gone fishing, but as you can see and probably hear, it's just started to rain, and the forecast is really heavy rain all from the rest of today, all night and tomorrow morning. So I don't know, maybe I can get out in the morning and do some fishing. But lucky for me, I've got some jobs to do on the boat. One of the jobs I'm doing today is I'm replacing all of these locks. These ones, the keys don't lock anymore. So I'm changing them all out, and I've got 7 new ones. They're all going to operate with the same key. So let's get on with it and get them changed out while the weather's not good enough for fishing. Well, it's probably really nice for fishing, but let's get these all changed out and maybe we'll go fishing tomorrow. We'll do the one for the main rod locker. Same again. Put on the locking, or the actual lock part, or the latch part. Try and get it on somehow. Let's check it first before we go any further. So if we copy that just like that, and that's in the unlock position. So I need a key again, and I'll keep the key out. I want the key going. There it is. It's unlocked. Right, that's so we'll put that like that, and we'll get that to the same height as that one, which is probably there. And I'd say we can lock that down. Let's lock it down. Like that. Time to take off the old latch. Oh, I need to take that one out. Take that one out, put it behind that. Let's get the new one, put that in, put the seal on, helps keep water out. Get the nut on, okay, make sure that's nice and straight. Down. That's good enough for me. I could make it tight though. We want it a bit tighter, so we'll take it up that way. Rain's coming down now. I've seen one guy out there fishing today. Oops, struck the Allen wrench. Found the Allen wrench. Okay, that's that. Let's see if it's tight enough. Oh yeah, it's plenty in it. Okay, so we can whack that down nice and tight, not too over tight, like that. Got my glove on. And tighten up. That's another one done. Next side.